LA City 911, operator 789.
Hi, I need to report a man with a gun, and I went outside and asked him to, lower his music on his car, and he pulled a gun out on me, and I went...
What's the address there?
It is 18 Alsace, like Alsace Avenue.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Los Angeles, California, 90019.
Okay, and is the person still there? Did they leave?
No, they're still here. They've got a black car. They're parked outside on the opposite side of the street.
So they're across from that address?
Yes. And, yeah, the quicker the better because...
Okay. What kind of car is it? Is it the color, make, and model?
I have no idea. I don't want to look out the window right now, but it was black, and maybe I just don't want to give you the wrong information.
Was it a two-door, four-door?
I believe it's a four-door.
And then it was the driver that pulled a gun on you?
Yes, he pulled the gun out. He has a gun.
Was he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He was black.
And then do you see about how old he looked by chance, like 20s, 30s, 40s?
Yeah, he's probably about 20s or early 30s.
And then do you see what color shirt he had on?
No, I think it was maybe a white shirt, black shirt, maybe, I don't know. I just got a little bit alarmed when I walked up.
And he pulled a gun on you and you asked him to turn his radio down?
Yeah, I just came outside. It was early this morning. Yeah, I think he's on something. I just asked him politely. I didn't do anything. I just came out and I calmly walked out. I didn't even know he had a gun. And then, I was just like, hey. And he's like, what do you want? Blah, 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 yelling at me. I was like, oh, it's okay. I just was, wondering if you could turn your music down. And he's like, man, blah, 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 blah. And I asked him if he was okay. And he's like, yeah, I'm okay. And that's when he pulled the gun out. And he's like, get the fuck out of here.
Okay. And you said they're still there, correct? Parked across from the location in the black four-door?
That's correct.
And then what's your name,
sir? My name is...
And your phone number? What's your callback number?
I have a Google voice number, so I don't know if y'all are going to be able to get back to me, but...
Got it, okay. Just stay on the line with me, then I'm going to get officers going. Just stay on the line with me, okay?
Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm. Wilshire units, possible ADW suspect there now, 18 Alsace Avenue, 18 Alsace Avenue, parked across the location in a black four-door vehicle. Suspect is a driver, male black, mid-20s, early 30s. No further, pulled a gun on PR. Scope 3 incident 0732 774, Wilshire unit handling anyway.
How you doing, sir?
What's up?
Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, he was just over here parked. I guess he lives nearby, maybe.
Okay.
So now I feel like, oh shit. But yeah, loud as fuck music pretty early. So I just came out to be like, hey, you mind turning that down? And I was kind of just all get out, and he just was hyped up, really loud, yelled at me, and I was like, hey, you doing all right? Yeah, no, I don't. And I've never had it, but yeah, he pulled a gun on me. So I was like, oh shit. So
Did you see the gun?
Oh yeah, like kind of like a healthier, like a fatter, kind of like pistol. So we cruised on back.
Did he point it at you, or did he just show it to you?
Like that.
Okay, so he showed it to you.
Okay.
You brandished it. Okay.
Is this does it say his address?
I believe it's this. I believe it's the car is registered to this building right here.
Okay.
Do you want to double check on our screen there?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah. Yeah. You got me? This is Los Angeles Police Department.
Come to the door.
All right.
What's up? What's up? What y'all want?
Sir, I'm gonna need you to step out with your hands up.
Y'all keep bugging me for?
I'm gonna need you to step out with your hands up.
Show me no fucking respect. No, I ain't stepping out this motherfucker.
Step out.
No, you don't have to get the guns fucking blazing right now. I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah, take the fucking gun. Come on.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to come out right now.
At this fucking door. You think I give a fuck? Watch what the fuck happens.
Come on out, man. Hey, we want to talk to you. That's all it is, man.
Watch
Just
what the
coming
fuck
out.
happens. Get the bucking at me at this fucking door.
Come on out.
Get the bucking at me at this fucking door.
Let's
Y'all
go.
fucking fault. Get
Come on, let's go.
fucking door.
I can't even, I don't even have visual, man. I can't even see him like that.
You might as well get the blasting, bro.
We're not going to do that. We just want to talk to you, man.
Fuck you, you fucking cop. You ain't never
Come
gave
on.
a fuck you. Get the fucking busting. Hey, right here. Right here. Get the fucking blasting.
Hey, come on, man. We just want to talk to you, man. Just come on out.
Fuck you.
What's your name?
You don't give a fuck what my name is,
Yeah,
you
I
fucking
do.
white trash. You fucking Mexican fucking pig.
Come on out, man. We just want to talk to you.
You ain't never gave a fuck before any of this shit happened.
Actually, I've been here before.
You never gave a fuck.
Don't
Shut the
you
fuck
live here
up
with
with
your
that
mom?
bullshit. Shut the fuck up with that.
Don't you
You
live
ain't
with your
never
mom and your
gave a
grandma?
fuck. Even when I was calm and cool and never done shit in my fucking life, you ain't never gave a fuck, so fuck you.
Hey, so let's redeploy.
You may as well pull that fucking gun and just fucking go.
He's coming
He's
out.
coming out.
Hey, come on out, man.
He has a pistol, pistol, pistol. Gun, 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 gun.
Get the fucking button.
Yeah. Get a back up, back up, back up.
Get the window. Hey,
Get this window, get this window.
I'm fucking blazing right now. I don't give a fuck. Oh yeah,
Hey.
get the fucking gun.
Come on out.
I'm gonna need you to come out right now.
This fucking gun. You think I give a fuck? Watch what the fuck happens.
Come on out, man. Hey, we want to talk to you. That's all it is, man.
Watch
Just
what the
coming
fuck
out.
happens. Get the bucket at me at this fucking door.
Come on out.
Get
Let's
the
go.
bucket at me at this fucking door.
Let's
It's your fucking fault. Get the
Come on,
bucket
let's
at
go.
this fucking door. You might as well get the blasting, bro.
We're not going to do that. We just want to talk to you, man.
Fuck you, you fucking cop. You ain't never gave a fuck you. Get the fucking blasting.
Air Force
Hey, right here.
Yeah.
Hey, come on out. We want to talk to you, man. Just come on out.
Fuck you.
What's your name?
You don't give a fuck what my name is, you fucking white trash. You fucking Mexican fucking pig.
Come on out, man. We just want to talk to you.
You ain't never gave a fuck before any of this shit happened.
Actually, I've been here before.
You never gave a fuck. Shut the fuck up with that bullshit.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up with that. You ain't
Your mom
never
and your
gave a
grandma?
fuck. You went on calm and
Yeah.
cool. Never done shit in my fucking life. You ain't never gave a fuck, so fuck.
Hey, so let's redeploy. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do. Yep.
So you may as well pull that fucking gun and just fucking go.
Is there any other exit?
He's coming out.
Come on out, bro.
Come on out, man.
Get the button.
Put that gun away. Put that gun away right fucking now.
Get the fucking button.
Yeah. Yep.
The window. Hey, it's redeploy.
Yeah. Redeploy. Get cover.
Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
He dropped it.
Guns on the ground, guns on the ground. Yo, come on! He's running!
Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
He dropped the gun.
Drop the gun!
He dropped the gun. He dropped it. He dropped it.
Guns on the ground.
Yo, come on. He's running. Running.
Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun.
Guns on the ground, guns on the ground. Yo, come on!
He's running.
Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Guns on the ground, guns on the ground. Go, come on! Get ready!
Oh, fuck. I shot two. I shot two.
Jamil, just keep your hands up.
I got the gun.
Keep your hands up. Jamil, keep your hands up. We'll call out. We'll call out. No, we're gonna help you, okay?